Happy New Year, everybody. I hope everybody had a good Christmas and a safe New Year. This year for Christmas, I took some of the Christmas money I got as gifts, thanks Mom, thanks Dad, and some of my Christmas bonus money, thanks work, and I went and got something that's been on my list for a little bit, and it was the right time to get it. Dixie Gun Works had a sale, and I've been wanting to do some more black powder revolver videos, and I thought I needed something else to kind of round out the collection. So let's open up and see what we got here. Now I ordered this on I believe it was on a Friday, and I got it the following Wednesday, and that was the day after Christmas, so the shipping was pretty quick considering I selected ground, and it's going from Union City, Tennessee up to Waterford, Michigan, so that's not bad at all, I don't think. Here we go. Uberti, World's Finest Replicas. And inside, they put the rest of my order. So here is a Pvc Capper. This is for putting percussion caps on the nipples of the revolvers. I've been wanting one of these for a while and been wanting to try it out. So we'll be doing a test on those, or on this. Let's see, here we go. They stuffed in underneath the revolver. Here's all the paperwork from Uberti, just like when I got my walker. This is the spare cylinder for it. This will be the first black powder revolver I got a spare cylinder for. We can see how long it takes to do a change at the range. Change at the range. Didn't plan on that, right? And then this should be some spare parts. Dixie Gun Works offers spare parts for replica percussion revolvers, and I've used them as a source for almost 20 years. Spring for this. I believe it's for that. I'd have to go back and check the packing list, see if I may have ordered. Packing list is in there somewhere. I may have ordered something for the walker as well. So this, I'd have to double check and make sure. There's another thing that they offer. This is brass for the 5.77-450 Martini-Henry rifle. I have one, and I've got to load up my own shells for it, and this is quite expensive. And some places that offer it only in packs of 20. This Dixie Gun Works allows you to buy them individually, and for what they cost, I thought I'd just throw a few on the order. I think I got one or two. There we go, 2. So got that there. Here's the packing slip. Here's some more parts, small parts. Make sure everything is there. Yep, everything's on the packing list. This is the Dixie Gun Works brand, I guess you would say, of lead ball. And of course, that's all knotted up. I'm not even going to try to get that open on camera. I'm just going to spill out everywhere. But these are lead balls for the revolver. Get these parts over here. Looks like they threw in a bunch of junk mail. I've got clothes and wine club. Here's more parts. So let's get to the meat and potatoes. Is that all of it? That is all of it. I like how they stuffed it all there in one box and packed it all nice and tight. Nothing got shifted around or damaged in shipping. So here it is. There's a light layer of packing oil on there. It's a little bit smaller and lighter than I thought it would be. I guess it's because my experience has been with 457 and 451 caliber. This is a 36, which is, I believe, .375 or .380, somewhere in there. So, comparison, size-wise, say it's a little bit longer than the Lamat, but it's not as beefy, obviously, because it's a 6-shot revolver, not a 9-shot. And it's definitely smaller and lighter than the Walker. But now I've got 3 different styles to compare. You can see there's a cutout there on the side. It's not half cut. For getting access to the nipples. To go ahead and put the percussion caps on. And it looks like there's enough clearance here to put powder and ball in there. The rammer is going to be something a little bit different. I believe you pop it out from the side or from the bottom. Everything's going to be new, so it's all going to be tight. But try not to scratch it. Yeah, I'm not even going to attempt to do this on the camera. Not until I've tinkered with it some. This is really just an unboxing. Nice crisp action. I'll have to clean off the grease. And then we can do some range videos this year. So, there you go. Late Christmas present from Dixie Gun Works. And I hope to get out on the range soon and shoot some videos. Thanks for watching. There's a little tab here. Just push back towards the face of the cylinder. And that releases it. And there's your ramrod. Or, I guess it would be ramming arm. Clips back into place. So push that way. There you go.